Hey everyone, what's up? My name's Jessie and welcome to or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making a candle. Yeah, I don't know. The inspiration behind this is this beer can. So this is my boyfriend's, I don't know, he picked this out at the LCBO, and when he was done, I was like, this is too cool to throw out. I don't know what it is. I just thought it was a cool vibe, and I'm like, all right, what can I do with the beer can? And for some reason, my mind went to candle. And that's what's brought us here today. Groundbreaking stuff, yes, I know. Anyways, I thought I would try. I've never made a candle before, so I'm gonna try, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing, and we'll see how this goes. All right, here we go. So, supplies that we need, obviously, are the beer can, and then I got these wicks from Michael's, along with some soy wax. And I wanted it to smell like eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is my go-to smell for everything, because it's just like calming and chill for me. So I got this eucalyptus oil from Amazon. Now, to figure out how much wax and oil I needed, there's like a whole equation that you got to figure out, and it's like the ounce of your bottle to the pound of wax. I can link down below. I can't remember really what it is off the top of my head, but for my how many ounces is this? I think it's like 16 ounces of my beer can. I don't know, that sounds wrong. Anyways, for the ounce of that, I needed 1 pound of wax, so that's how I got my 1 pound of wax. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is take a can opener and take off the top of the beer can. Now it's time for the wax. So I bought microwavable wax, didn't know that was happening, so this just got that much easier, and I'm just dumping it into this microwavable container it came in and popping it in the microwave. And I did it for about 2 minutes. I then took my glue gun and glued the bottom of the candle wick, and then took a metal straw and just pressed that down just to make sure it was secure in the can. So as you can see, the wax is all melted, and now I'm taking my eucalyptus essential oil and just dropping in a bunch and mixing it around. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I ended up using about half of the oil. So it's all mixed into my smelling preference, and I just grabbed a funnel and used that to pour the wax in just to make it easier and cleaner. I think it's good. I guess I could put a little bit more. I wrapped the wick around a pencil and laid that across the top of the can just so the wick would stay straight as the wax hardened. I think it's good. If this works, this is gonna be literally the easiest DIY I ever did. I just microwaved some wax. Okay, we're gonna let this sit. I'm not gonna touch anything in this area because I want it to stay where it is. I'll check back, we'll do an update. Okay, so it is quite some time later. I think it's 2 hours later, and the candle's looking pretty good. Here, let me show you. It looks pretty good. It actually smells pretty good, but I don't think it's fully like hardened yet. The can is still like, it's not warm or anything, but like you can still feel it's not like fully hardened yet. And like where the wick is, I don't know if you'll be able to see, if it'll focus. It's still like a little soft to the touch. So I'm gonna let it sit a bit longer before I light it. I'll insert clips of that now. So that was probably the easiest DIY, or one of the easiest DIYs I've ever done. I mean, I think the microwavable wax really gave me one up on the easy scale. I hope someone out there enjoyed this video or got, I don't know, some kind of inspiration from it. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you, I don't know, later sometime. Okay, Bye.